Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best GoPro filters that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the GoPro Water Dive Filter. The GoPro Water Dive Filter is designed to help you capture high-quality videos and photos in a depth of 15 to 70 feet. It is built to provide the best color correction, especially when capturing in blue water. It comes with durable and scratch-resistant construction with optical-grade glass to provide optimal clarity. The filter features a tool-free and quick installation process that requires just pressing it into place. The dive filter is designed to be used with a super suit that includes dive housing and uber protection. Also, it includes a tether as well as a microfiber carrying bag. Moving on at number 4, we have the LENSKINS MRC Filter. The LENSKINS MRC filter is made in Japan using high-quality optical glass framed with aviation-grade aluminum. This ensures you capture crystal-clear images and the 18-layer nano coating that helps to reduce lens ghosting and flare. Also, it helps to reduce reflection and acts as a water repellent and filter anti-scratch. The filter is easy to mount and you do not need to have the original lens protector replaced when mounting. The filter comes with a lightweight and slim design allowing for easy carrying and storage. The aluminum frame features an anodized finish allowing for a safe and smooth gimbal operation. At number 3, we have the PolarPro ND Filter. The PolarPro ND Filter is specifically designed to be used with the Hero 8 Black camera. It is engineered with a hot swap magnetic base that allows you to quickly and seamlessly remove and change filters. The 4-pack filter kit includes the North Dakota 8, North Dakota 16 as well as the North Dakota 32 filters, allowing you to capture footage in all lighting conditions. The ND filter features a 16-layer Cinema Series glass that is built to help reduce flaring, reflection and protect it against oils and fingerprints. The strong magnets ensure a secure connection especially during high-vibration motorsports as well as high-velocity wind conditions of up to 60 miles per hour. At number 2, we have the PolarPro Aqua Filter. The PolarPro Aqua Filter is among the best model that provides maximum color correction in various lighting and water conditions. The filter is specifically built for use with the Hero 6 and Hero 5 housing cases. The package includes snorkel, magenta and red filters for use in different conditions and allowing you to capture high-quality footage. The Aqua filter is engineered with proprietary color formulas that guarantee flawless and top-quality tropical videos. Also, the package includes a custom case to help protect as well as keep the filters safe and ready for use. The manufacturer offers US-based support and a lifetime warranty. And finally at number 1, we have the TELESKINS GoPro Lens Filter. The TELESKINS GoPro Lens Filter comes with a strong anodized aluminum construction ensuring the lens is protected against scuffs, scratches and even smudges. It is designed to be used with a range of devices including Hero 7, Hero 2018, Hero 5 and Hero 6 cameras. It comes with a high-grade and multi-layered optical glass that provides crystal-clear videos and images. The lens filter provides you the freedom to control the exposure time, camera's aperture as well as sensor sensitivity settings. It is engineered to help get rid of washed-out footage, providing better contrast and rich color. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.